For power users and gaming enthusiasts, a powerful gaming PC is the best thing we would want on our desk. However, this is not always the case. You see, there are users who just need a working PC to get their job done, and a simple system is all they need. This is when an all-in-one system like the MSI Pro AP272 enters the chat. Today, we will be taking a quick look at MSI's 27-inch AIO PC and see what can you do with it aside from office work. Let's get the specs out of the way first. It is powered by an Intel Core i5-12400, 8 gigs of DDR4 3200 MHz memory, 512 gigs of M.2 SSD, and an Intel Uhd Graphics 730. It has no dedicated graphics like Nvidia GeForce or AMD Radeon, but do keep in mind that the Intel graphics still can handle some basic games, but definitely not for AAA games. From our stress test, the highest temperature recorded is 91 degrees Celsius, but that is only when you stress it hard. For most use cases, the temperature hovers mostly around 60 to 70 degrees Celsius range. Not too bad, I would say. While the MSI Pro lineup falls under the business and productivity category, however, it doesn't restrict what you can do with it. And here's what I think. First, it can be a basic home entertainment PC. The built-in 27-inch IPS display has a full HD resolution, which is decent for videos and even games. As I mentioned earlier, due to the iGPU limitations, don't expect to run demanding games on this machine. It has built-in stereo speakers at the back, so you can have audio without any external speakers or headset. It's not great, but still sufficient for those who prefer to have a simple desktop setup. Otherwise, you want a better audio experience, you can always plug in a set of speakers. Secondly, it can be a home and educational use PC. What we have learned from the past few years is that people are more open to the idea of remote working and studying. I know that the industry has started to return to normal, but that doesn't change the fact that online conferences are more convenient. The inclusion of the built-in speakers and webcam allows you to use the system to attend online classes and Zoom calls. The display panel, as MSI claimed, features an anti-flicker technology to reduce eye strain. This is especially useful for situations like this. And thirdly, it can be a second system to monitor your live streams. Live streaming has been very common nowadays, and it includes either game streaming, commercial streaming, or even lifestyle streamings. For those who rely on a single system to stream, it can be troublesome to go back and forth between your games and other windows just to monitor what your viewers are trying to tell you. So a second system like this can come in really handy in this kind of situation, and it doesn't take up much desk space as well. In short, while the MSI Pro AP272 is a system targeted at business users, there is a multitude of users, even for home users like what we have listed. Do you have any other users for AIO system like this, aside from what we mentioned just now in the video? Do let us know in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys again in the next video.